Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today I've got another walking workout for you. Please check around you, there's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or bash yourself on. Marching to the beat. Try and keep those feet nice and light. During the workout, don't worry if you're not quite to the beat. Don't worry if you're not in time with me or on the same foot. More important to keep yourself moving. Getting to the end of the track, getting to the end of the 15-minute workout. So pace yourself if you need to. Doesn't matter if your steps are really small if you're a beginner or if you leave the arms out. Turn to the side, let's march forward, two back. Actually, you could stay facing me for this bit, but we're going to go into a 4-step in a moment. So probably easier just to turn slightly to the side. Forward, 2, 3, 4, and back. Join me when you're ready. Well done. Try and keep the shoulders nice and relaxed, but swing the arms. And if you take the elbows up a little bit higher behind, you can work the back of the arms as well, but it's your workout and your body. Come back to face me. You might need to shuffle across if you're on a mat and you don't have a lot of space. Let's go in the other direction. No benefit, just makes it a bit more interesting to change direction. You get a different view of your room. I've got a nice view of the radiator here. Turning back to face me. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 1, 2, 3. So adding a little push with the arms. Or not, your choice. Well done. Remember, we're trying to get to the end of the 15-minute workout. This is aimed at people who are less fit or beginners. So, or maybe you're slightly overweight. Whatever reason you're here, I hope you're enjoying my workouts. Let's kick it across. Well done. This is helping your balance. So if you're really struggling with this, just take the toe on the floor instead. But those of you that can, take that little swing across the body. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, keeping the knees slightly soft all the time. Let's go back to the march. 4, 3, 2, and a tap. Slowly turning, maybe moving to the back of your mat, taking it forward. And again, keep moving through the gap. Well done. We're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, and a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. We're going to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember getting back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap the toe in front. Last 4, 3, And we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap cut. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march. Right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, if you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big. Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2. And back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. Well done. Keep those feet moving. Catch the beat, marching. Right, left, right, left. Don't worry too much if you're on the wrong foot, but if you follow me, it will make it a little bit easier. Shoulders relaxed. Keep that head up. You don't need to look at your feet. Keep breathing in through the nose. Change that to 3 and a tap. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. So you have an option if you want. You can make that bigger, step back, knee lift, or keep it as a tap. So again, you choose what you want to do, what's right for you. You want to make it harder at an arm. So what I'm doing with my arms, taking them down and up. And less space means you need to. Try and stay facing me all the time if you can. So your easier version, if you're out of breath, you want to make it gentle. Is here. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm touching my shoulders, reaching up and doing a little bicep curl. Might take a little bit of getting used to that move, so do what feels right with you. Maybe just reach the arms up and down. If you want to make it even harder, you can take the arms just up and down. That doesn't work for me very well. I seem to lose the beat with that one. Well done. Let's march it through. Right, left, right, left. You'll take the feet a little bit wider. So wide as is comfortable for you. And again, you can keep it here for the movement, or make it really wide, lift the knees. These arms moving, shoulders relaxed. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Well done. Feet are now turning slightly out, knees are following. Knees and ankles, I meant, should be nice and comfortable. 2 in, 2 out, take it in, wide, wide. Add some arms if you can. This is the brain teaser if you don't know this move. Okay, you can stick with that. You can lose the arms, or we can make it a little bit harder. We're going to go forward. Wide, wide, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. For those that want to jump, I'm not going to jump. I like my workouts to be all low impact. But those that maybe want to add a tiny bit of impact work, that's fine. ready to march on the spot. And right there. I'm going to turn now slightly to the corner. You're going to move with what space you've got. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and a tap. We're going to march forward for 4, back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. You're going to go with what space you've got. So if you can only go diagonally or straight across your mat, that's fine. Let's change direction. So pick a space you've got. You might need to walk a few further back in order to get space to go forward. That's fine. The idea is you can do these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. Well done. We're going to start to bring our heart rate down now. We're just slowly lifting the heels, going onto the ball of the foot, nice and slow and controlled. Putting the belly in. Really pushing the heel into the ground, lifting the other foot up. Well done. A little bit of balance here. If that doesn't work for you, touch your toe to the floor, well done. But if you can, do it on one leg. Keep the knees soft, let the shoulders relax, arms swing gently. Heels up, joggers walk. Nice and slow though. Try and keep the hips as level as you can. You're not sticking the hips out to the side, you're keeping them level. Pulling in your belly, keep breathing. Have a quick look down at your feet. Are your feet directly under your hips, or have you taken them a bit wider? Are your feet turning out? Doing this move slowly, you're really going to feel it. A quick look at your knees. Are they coming straight forward, or are they coming across the body or sticking outward? Let's take that kick or tap across. Swing the arms however is comfortable for you. I find swinging them across the body like this really helps my balance. But if you'd rather keep them on your waist or let them just swing naturally, that's fine too. Back to those heel raises. Really massaging the feet into the mat. Very soft, slow, gentle bicep curl if you wish. Lifting, alternating heels. Just alternating. Ready for that swing and balance or tap. Remember, we're cooling the body down now, but we want to keep moving, getting our heart rate back to normal if you need to. Tap. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips, take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So, by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often, the foot turns in, and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back. I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want. That helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lying forward. Beautiful. We'll do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Great, you've made it to the end of the workout. It's been lovely to be working out with you today. See you next time. Bye for now.